Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce number 17, Bruce Internet, Frank Rocky, big right, and that was a house for Pete Rivers for basketball. And Bruce to the right. And Silver Society, Bruce number 4, and they're part of the Bruce Internet for regional. And will be a top pass for Society for 8, and looking the shot for Gary and People. The Hernandez and the Pasa for Society the Bruce Internet for regional. And will be a top for Stockton Hot Press. The Bruce Internet 1. The Hernandez and now for Bruce number. Once again, now for Bruce number 4. First on here and first in the Bruce side. And Angel. Bruce number 4. There's next year, second ball. Next coming at the party will be Bruce number 4. Next coming at the party, 2 blocks. And he's still up for Bruce number 10, and only about pass and run that less. He can pass off the other one again. I don't know about Bruce number 1, and he can pass off the others. And he can pass that's what she got. And also coming in for Hernandez, Stephen and Roll for the Thompson. No parts. But Monkey and Mark pass to steal. That was 13 for Hernandez, looking the shot. And half the back to the side of Bruce number 5. Hernandez, moving stop. And he's going for a moving stop. And for and Rocky, Hernandez for Ryan, for Bruce number 8. But looking the loss to 20, and all the rounds from team. Big loss, basketball. And 9 7 weeks extendedly. And he's still over at Muscle. That Mr. Hernandez looking the shot. They're coming in for a basketball. Once again, now Bruce number 24, Randy Paul. And Licio, once again, and Licio. And holding sourcing now, Mr. Hernandez, to be a basketball for the shot. Plus, they want to have Bruce number. Once again, now Bruce number 5, Randy Paul. Good shot. And the scoring at 2-4 for the 7th quarter. Completion score 52. When steal and only the attack and looking the shot there for Hernandez. And we're signing for Diesel. And we will pass to Senra. We have the last one for Senra. And we're going to Hernandez to steal. Not only that pass to Hernandez, yes. And Pete for yes. To turn around. Shot at Casabola. And then on. And the game is back next for Senra. And the pass for using that. You can pass it for Hernandez again. And you can pass for Hernandez again. Once again, Heidi's and Bronze for the first quarter, and looking the shot. server Baldwin. 11 out. 24-12, please now. First guy is here for the second call. Second call by Osma. Very wrong and people. And then our secretary won't be able to lose the game by Morelos. He didn't pass on top. And good back when you want to pass. And so pass from Simon and Steve Basamba. And then Harry susunod na sa regional tayo. And dito po ako visitor on second wire for visitor one. And today, Corner Cinema, he's about to pass to Corner Line. And for visitor one, and now Wilson number 7 overall. Today, sir, let's see what. Let's see what the other sorry. And Wilson number 1, and he's a start. 18-12. At last, they call it out Wilson number. Wilson number 15. And Wilson number 5. Easy now. Consider why easy enough. One for penalty from eight balls and 3 minutes and 47 seconds. And really the loss of version 1 given the text. Team of Pasangila. But saved by the bowler. Elbrand. And my order was signed by Kendra. Lucio. Hernandez is the one.